Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool dishwasher, lower Dishrack, roller, and mount. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new lower Dishrack, roller, and mount. The lower Dishrack, roller, and mount is what the lower Dishrack rolls in and out on. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the rack's not rolling in and out properly. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we can pull the lower rack out. Now we're going to set it on the counter so we can change out the roller mount. You want to make sure you put a towel down so you don't scratch anything. We're going to take the silverware baskets out to get them out of the way. Now that we have the silverware baskets out of the way, we can change the roller mount. There's 4 of them. They're all the same. The only difference is the one on the back has the folding tine row that we have to remove to get out of the way. So we're going to take out the tine row. Just want to grab it and unhook it from the holder if it's held in. And then you're just going to pull up on the tine row very gently so it flexes a little bit and releases. And then you can pull it out of the other end. Now that we have the tine row out, we can flip the rack over and we have access to the roller and mounts. To get it off, we're just going to take a small flathead screwdriver and press in on these locking tabs while lifting up on it. Once you have them both released, you can just pull it off the rack. Here's the old lower dish rack, roller, and mount next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new one on, just going to line it up with the rack. You want to make sure that these 2 tabs go on the inside. And then you can press it down and snap it into place. Once you have it on there, we can turn the rack over and put the tine row back in. We're just going to put this end into the roller mount. And then we can flex it and stick the other end in the other mount. You don't want to bend it too far, just enough to get it in there. And then lock it into place. Then we can put the silverware baskets back in. All you have to do is hook them onto the rack. Once you have both in, we can put the rack back into the dishwasher. To put the rack back in, all you have to do is set it onto the door and push it back into place. Once you have it in, you can close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.